Welcome back. Time to show you how to edit for our class Cafe Moody preset. Let's get started. First, let's go to Light. Change exposure to -05. Contrast to +35. Highlights to -40. Shadows to +20. Whites to -15. Blacks to -20. Next, go to Point Curve. Follow these steps to adjust the point curve. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button as it helps us create more content like this. On Sundays, check out our Dollar Tree DIYs. Next week we are going to show you the Class Rose preset. Let's move on to color. Temperature 15. Tint to +1. Adjust the vibrance to +20. And the saturation to -10. Now let's dive into the color mixer. Go to red. Change the saturation to -30. Luminance to -10. Go to orange. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +20. Go to yellow. Hue to -25. Go to green. Hue to -50. Saturation to -15. Go to aqua. Saturation to -50.
You better turn up.
Luminance to -10.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead.
Go to blue.
Go and catch me, baby.
Saturation to -50.
I live it. That's my truth.
Luminance to -20.
I love it.
Next, let's go to effect.
Turn it up.
Texture to +20.
On a higher level. Turn it up, we got
Clarity to +20. Haze to +35. Go to split tone. Change the hue to 45 and the saturation to 5 for the highlights. Go to detail.
You better grab that
Sharpening to 20.
green. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may
And we're done.
forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level.
You can copy these settings to any other photo like this. or save a new preset like this, for easy access for future Lightroom edits. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below a color style that you would like to see featured in a future video. Next week check out our Class Rose preset. See you in the next one.